interface can contain only contract, and class abstract, non-abstract class contain concrete behaviors. You know that. Abstract class can have a combination of contract and concrete behavior. And then a child class cannot be derived from multiple classes, whereas child class can implement multiple interfaces. Clear?
Hello, sir.
Ah.
Sir, can we say interface achieves 100% abstraction feature?
Yesterday I said abstract class is just one way of, not a complete way of implementing abstraction. Okay,
No.
abstraction can be achieved with normal class also. Interface is to give contract to the class, and that class has to complete that contract, or class has to fulfill that contract.
Okay.
Okay. Now here, since these are interfaces, no need to write abstract keyword, because whatever method you declare in the interface is by default abstract. So no need to use abstract keyword. Okay. In that file, via interface, some other example is given. Public interface electronic appliance. Have a look at that. Switch on and switch off. Now switch on and switch off, these are contracts. It is because at the base level we cannot define what should happen in switch on, because that depends on a specific electronic appliance. When you switch on TV, what happens is quite different from when you switch on washing machine. But switch on and off should be there in each and every electronic appliance. So these are contracts. Since these are only contracts, we go for interface. So public interface electronic appliance, switch on off. Class TV implements electronic appliance. Washing machine implements electronic appliance. Refrigerator implements electronic appliance. Okay. No need to tell you what these classes should do. These classes must define switch on and off, and they will have their specific logic. What should happen when these electronic appliance we switch on and switch off. Okay. Now this is the scenario given. Public interface electronic appliance switch on and off. Class TV implements electronic appliance. Washing machine implements electronic appliance. Refrigerator implements electronic appliance. Compare above example with socket where you can plug in TV, washing machine or refrigerator. Compare above example with socket where you can plug in TV or washing machine or refrigerator. So you have a socket, right? And you have TV, washing machine, TV, washing machine and refrigerator. There's a socket and then there's a button, switch on and off. Now see how we can relate our Java example code, Java code with the real life scenario. Public interface electronic appliance, it has got two abstract methods, and TV, washing machine, refrigerator will define those methods. This is not a complete example, this is just a discussion. And then somewhere we will have public class demo, public class demo. In that, static void perform. Yesterday's example. So in fact, today this is 7th example. Yesterday we covered 6 examples of upcasting, lead binding, etc. This is 7th example. Electronic appliance, TV, refrigerator, washing machine. Okay, so tell me, in perform which reference will be there so that we can perform lead binding?
Parent.
Electronic appliance. Huh? Whether it is a normal parent class or abstract class or interface, concept is same. We can have a reference of parent. So interface reference we are having here. Electronic appliance ref, and then let's say I will give a name perform on. So it is only for on, ref dot on. And then we have static void perform underscore off. Electronic appliance ref dot off. Now we are familiar with this type of code, right? As I said, this is 7th example. So we have discussed a lot about this type of concept. Since yesterday we have been discussing this. Perform, suppose perform on. Perform on. And we pass a new object of let's say TV. Suppose we want to switch on TV. Now here, see, perform on method we call, and we pass TV. When we pass TV, it will go to electronic appliance, upcasting, yes or no? And then ref dot on. So which on will be called?
TV.
TV. Everyone knows this. Everyone knows this. Okay, because you must have revised, you must have solved assignment, etc. Now, this scenario we can relate with the real life scenario. This code we can relate with the real life scenario. How? Here I am saying I am passing TV object, and that will be collected in electronic appliance reference, parent interface reference, and ref dot on. This is called as polymorphic invocation. Remember yesterday, polymorphic invocation. Now, how can we relate this with the real life scenario? We have that socket, and there's a button, and we have TV, washing machine, refrigerator. Now, suppose I would like to switch on TV. So what will I do? I will insert that plug of TV inside this socket. When I insert that plug inside this socket is what? This socket is nothing but, if we relate this, electronic appliance. Electronic appliance का reference. Electronic appliance का ref, REF. So this socket is electronic appliance का reference. And when we insert this plug, that means what? In the code we say new TV. New TV. And then using this ref we say on. So what exactly we do here? We press this button, no, on, and what happens? TV gets switch on. TV gets switch on. Okay, so this is the way we can relate our coding with the real life scenario. Suppose after that, if I say perform off new TV, then what happens? When I switch off this button, TV gets switch off. If I say perform on new washing machine, at that time what happens? Assume that this plug has been removed and we insert washing machine's plug here. Now when we insert washing machine plug here, as per code, we are passing new washing machine object. Where? To the electronic appliance reference. This socket is nothing but electronic appliance reference. And now when we say on, what will get on? What will get switched on? Washing machine. So this is the way we can relate our code with real life scenario. Okay, so since our discussion is interface, one more example. Yes, bolo.
सर फिर यहाँ पे वो माउस इवेंट हैंडलर और विंडो इवेंट हैंडलर वो यहाँ पे रहेगा क्या?
नहीं. This is the example of electronic appliance. This is the example of electronic appliance. Mouse event is something different.
Because अपन तो ऑटोमेटिक वो प्लग इन तो नहीं करने वाले ना. तो वो भी
every example cannot be given in this context. Okay, I have given electronic appliance interface example.
और ओके फिर yes. वो जो प्लग इन और प्लग आउट जो करेंगे अपन तो वो किसके अंदर फॉलो होगा?
Plug in or plug out? Plug out is we cannot say that. Plug in, when you pass object to the reference, it is like plug in.
Okay.
Plug out, you assume that we do plug out.
When you
so
say
everything cannot be related. Yes.
When you say that new, first of all you say that new on. After that again you say that new off. So that time again new object is not created, sir.
One minute. Where? New TV.
Yeah, new TV. After that again new off new TV. So that time new object is not created.
Sorry, by mistake. It is refrigerator. Okay. By mistake I had written TV. Okay. So new TV, new refrigerator, new washing machine, like that. One more example where interface makes sense. Look at that. Public interface room, calculate area, apply colors, apply curtains. All are contracts. How to calculate area, how to apply colors, which color to apply, how to apply curtains, which color curtain to apply. All these are contracts. So public interface room. What can be the child classes? Class living room implements room, and that living room has to define all these methods: calculate area, apply colors, apply curtains. Class bedroom implements room. Bedroom has to have calculate area, apply colors, and apply curtains, and so on. So the point here is, at the parent level, whenever you have only contracts, not a single concrete behavior, go for interface rather than abstract class. Now we have examples. In that interface, in that inheritance programs folder, demo 33. Yesterday we discussed till demo 32. Java C demo 33. Yeah, let's see. Demo 33. Interface EMP1. Void display 1. Now you know, inside interface, whenever you declare any method, that method is by default public and abstract. I forgot to tell you it is by default public. I said it is by default abstract only. But let me tell you now, the method inside interface is by default public and abstract. By default public and abstract. So void display 1 is public, abstract display 1. Class sub1 implements EMP1. Now whenever child class implements any interface, whenever child class defines the method of that interface, public is compulsory. Why public is compulsory? Because interface method is by default public. So while defining, you must write public. If you don't write public, then you get this error, weaker access privilege. Yesterday I showed you this error, weaker access privilege. This error comes when while overriding you give less accessibility. You should always give same or more accessibility. You give less accessibility, you get weaker access privilege error. Okay. Sub1 S1 is equal to new sub1 S1 dot display. Now this program will give error. How will you avoid that error is remove this comment. Sub display. हाँ बोलो.
Sir, in the previous example, you used only one reference of the parent interface and you were calling all the objects. So, sir, there you performed on. Now to perform off, there is no option. Like on the same object, you can't perform off.
Why not?
Sir, because there is no reference.
No, where? I could write ref dot off here only itself in this
Sir,
method.
but in this method, you have created two different static void methods na, for on and off. Now you called perform on for new TV. Now how will you off the same, like perform off for the same TV object? So we have to create like different references. Na? We can't do this here.
No. It's very simple.
That only
TBT.
electronic appliance.
No. TBT is equal to new TV. And here pass T. Pass T.
That only I was telling, like different reference banana padega na sub object ke liye to perform on and off on the same object.
हाँ तो ठीक है ना, उसमें क्या है? That's okay. That's perfectly right. Perform on T, perform off T.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
Earlier we used to create anonymous object. So here you don't create anonymous object. Yeah. Some more people raise their hand. Bolo. I think they are.
Sir, in this here we are using in EMP1 public. So we can use any accessor in that or only just public?
Interface methods are by default public and abstract. You cannot change their accessibility. If you try to change, you will get compilation error.
Okay.
Because that makes sense, no? It's a contract which has to be fulfilled by all the child classes. And that contract, first of all, should be accessible. So how that contract will be accessible, irrespective of which package you are working, it has to be public. That's why interface abstract methods are by default public.
Okay.
So 33. 34.
हेलो सर।
हाँ।
सर अभी जो आपने टीवी टी का